Hi, I'm Wendy Weir with Libre Tea, and I'm here with you for a Tea Moment Monday. So first of all, let's have a tea moment and take a little moment to relax. It's always good for a Monday to do this. Some parts of the world are having a holiday, or North America, in regards to Veterans Day yesterday and all of those that sacrificed so much for all the freedom that we have. So just mentioning that, and maybe we'll hold that close in our hearts. So hand over the heart. I think that would be a great way to start today. And taking a breath in, down into the belly, and letting it go. And one more breath in, and letting it go. And one more breath in, holding it in the heart, feeling the softness, and feeling the love that really does emanate from every one of us when we're calm. And I think tea moments are a great way to be calm and fill our internal reservoir for increasing calm. So I wanted to also share with you that we have a new tea glass. So Libre has teamed up with doTerra, and the doTerra people, in terms of essential oils, so many great natural remedies. And I've gotten into this myself personally. I have a lavender roll-on that I don't seem to be able to live without these days. But essential oils do really well in glass containers. This is a beautiful purple, as you can see, with the doTerra logo on it. And I just wanted to make a really simple thing this morning because with our glass interior, the oils are just perfect for that because there's no adherence of their pretty strong flavor a lot of the time. And with the outer strong durable poly, then the glass won't break on the go. So you can take it on the go for all of your different drink mixtures. And if you want to add some fresh fruits or teas or other things, then this filter goes right on the glass and you can drink through. And so our drink for this morning, it's getting to be cold and flu seasons, and we really would like to stay well. And so the whole idea of keeping ourselves nourished and with detoxing, really healthy flavors and natural remedies, what I wanted to share with you today is we're going to take some freshly cut ginger, as you can see here, and we're just going to pop it right into the glass. And I was so excited there, I threw them away. So we're back. And these pieces of ginger go right into there. And then what we're going to do is I like to have these things warm myself. So I'm just adding in some water that I've boiled here and not too hot. And then I am going to take out my lemon oil this morning. And they say for adult dosages, it's about 2 to 4 drops. So, of course, a bit of personal taste too. But we have the ginger in there, and that's very stimulating. And then we're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's drops of lemon inside here. And that will make a beautiful, oh, it smells gorgeous, a beautiful elixir to keep on drinking throughout the day and evenings. It's great before bedtime, and it's also really wonderful first thing in the morning. They say that the first drink that comes in through you, we've been sleeping all night, and that the first hydration is so important. And so a little hot water with lemon oil and some ginger to flavor it up and also help you with either settling stomachs or just being able to have a nice flavor and a little bit more detox. So welcome doTerra to the Libre family. And this is just a simple one for this morning with a lemon and ginger. And we'll be coming to you with more soon in the future. And let's just have a little tea moment now. Oh, that is really delicious. So enjoy your tea moments. Bring a moment of peace into your home, into yourself, and keep that with you on the road so you can be the best you can be in interacting with other people and being a peaceful soul and being generous, warm-hearted, and friendly. So I'll leave you with that for today as Monday. Have a wonderful week. And I'll be back to you a few times this week because it's a big week for us. We have some lovely new infusers that we want to tell you about. And the first one is the one from doTerra. So have a great week. Thanks. Many peaceful tea moments to you.